Hello, I'm Dr. Rich Bassett. If you're watching this, it means you're a current or possible candidate for a hip or knee replacement. Through my career as a board-certified orthopedic surgeon who specializes in joint replacements, I am very grateful to have helped many people regain their mobility and improve their quality of life. Hip and knee replacements are two of the most successful surgeries, and the outcomes are generally very good. However, I'm always looking for new techniques and technologies to help improve my patient's outcome, with the ultimate goal of being a hip or knee that feels completely natural. That's why I'm very excited to offer my patients one of the latest technologies from Kinomatic. Traditionally, these surgeries are planned out using your original diagnostic x-rays. Those are the x-rays that you've recently taken to help us figure out that you may need a joint replacement surgery in the first place. Implant templates are then placed on top of these x-rays to help us estimate what size implant and position is the best fit for you. These are basic tools that have been around for many years with good results, and they are usually covered by your insurance. Using the latest technology from Kinomatic, patients considering either hip or knee replacement can now choose a customized preoperative plan for their surgery. After a specialized CT scan and an extensive amount of biomedical engineering, this technology identifies the most ideal implant position, size, and alignment based on your unique anatomy, allowing me to view these crucial details in virtual reality. The ability to surgically simulate your procedure and see your new implants in place before we ever step foot into the operating room has many great advantages. With all of this additional information about your anatomy, the technology can allow me to perform your surgery with a higher level of accuracy. Ultimately, this can help me achieve the goal of giving you the best possible outcome. In addition to this customized plan, and if you choose, Kinomatic also offers you the opportunity to turn your smartphone into a post-operative monitoring tool that allows me and my team to see your daily activity levels and progress while you safely and rapidly recover from your surgery. Whether you choose to utilize Kinomatic or not, the goal is still the same: to give you the best chance for a successful outcome and improved quality of life. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, I have an incredible team that is eager to help you in any way we can. Thank you.